Okay, if you guys walk down the streets and find a bag full of $5 million, what will you do with it?
I would take some and I would definitely donate some.
Neutral.
Yeah, everybody needs money, no?
Absolutely.
But take enough for oneself and definitely give to people. I'll definitely
Exactly.
I'll definitely give. I will not take it all for myself.
What would you do, Rajiv?
So as Benny said, so charity is something, हमको बचपन से हमारे घरों में सिखाया गया है कि and charity begins at home. ये सबसे पहले सिखाया है मेरे मॉम डैड ने, कि आपके फैमिली में कई बार इतने लोग आपको मिल जाते हैं जो जिनको जरूरत है, पढ़ाई के लिए उनको सपोर्ट चाहिए, कुछ है, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. तो you begin the charity at home. Secondly, do a lot for animals. And apart from when all these good things are done, I really want to buy a lot of guitars. I buy. So the moment she said about the $5 million, I was like, I could only see the music store. Yeah.
For me, I just want to donate for food. Basically, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I've learned from my life saying that if you can feed people and that moment where their stomachs are full, that moment is a blessing for you.
Yeah,
that comes back to you in form of a blessing. So for me, right from the time I knew that my mother and father have been doing in my name on my birthday every year for some orphanage, some old age home, we pick a place one in Kerala somewhere and we do this every year. So that is I think I advise anybody and everybody to do that, because the one thing that people would say enough to is food.
And I would also to add, because would love to have a big farmhouse and fill it with lots of dogs. I'm a big dog lover. Yeah,
I want to grow my own vegetables. I want to grow my own vegetables. Simple. I want to have an organic my own little land. I can grow my vegetables.
But Drishti, ये question ना बहुत danger पूछा आपने, because we can go on and on, क्योंकि 5 million बहुत होते हैं और हम बोलते जाएंगे. So
वही तो, never enough.
Right. Now, okay, this one is a little weird because I don't know. If you guys wake up and realize that Benny is woken up as Rajiv and Rajiv is woken up as Benny, what would you all do?
I would produce some of the most killer tracks. But I would be very sad because Rajiv's a vegan.
And if I wake up as Benny, I would straight go to Rahman sir's studio and sit with him. Yeah. I think that's the best, thing.
Okay, another twist. If you all wake up and realize that you all have woken up as an opposite gender, you all have woken up as females, how would you all react and what would you all do?
I'd be very happy.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Wow.
It's the only thing left to know. We know what it is to be a woman. But of course, no, it's literally have to know that, have to know what it is to be a woman and embrace it all, because there is so much beauty attached to a woman. Because I'd say I always tell this to everyone, whoever's sitting there and spreading hate on social media, I'll tell him, do it. And especially about women, I only tell them one thing: you wouldn't have a mouth and a mind and an opinion if you weren't born from a mother. Simple as that.
Absolutely.
Correct. I totally second that.
Simple as that. I love my mom. I love my mom, and I if given a chance, I'd be a woman. No problem.
Wow, that's a beautiful.
Yeah, same thing.
ये क्या है? Same thing. You have to give a different answer.
No, because see, it's just a gender, but ultimately दिल और दिमाग तो वही होगा ना.
Right.
So I think, and we always say that, that वाकई में आज की दुनिया में, there has never been any difference in terms of men and women. These are just some ideologies की जैसे कि नहीं यार औरतें कुछ ये चीजें नहीं कर सकती यार.
मैं जरूर बोलूँगा कि women are superior, bro. Women are
superior. Yeah,
definitely superior.
So I think I'm not, I can say this openly that it will be like a blessing to even feel if you wake up as a woman, because it's different. Yeah. Because
Okay,
of course, I'm also surrounded with my mother, my sister, 24 hours. So I completely second that.
Yay! People like to be women. That's lovely. Okay. Last, that would be if you both had the power to change one thing in the world or one thing in people, what would that be?
Racism.
One thing in people. If I had a chance, I think the one thing I would change in people is to be easily offended. I'll tell you something. एक ज़माना था जब लोग बहुत प्यार करते थे आपस में.
Yeah.
There was so much love. Then there came a time where there was so much hate. So many revolutions, wars, racism, depression, a lot of things. There was so much hate. And then there came, and now we live in a time where everybody is easily offended. It's a sad period in our life. कुछ भी करो कोई ना कोई offend हो ही जाता है, and someone is sitting there to offend someone or the other.
They're ready.
Like I would say that this is my famous line of this entire pandemic. On this last 1 year, मैं कहीं भी जाता हूँ मैं ये बोलता हूँ, हमारा सोसाइटी का सबसे बड़ा विलन क्या है आपको पता है?
सोसाइटी.
आप बताइए.
लोग पता नहीं.
दृष्टि जी, you don't know. Rajiv, you tell me.
सोसाइटी का दुश्मन
नहीं, हमारा सोसाइटी का और हमारा पूरा दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा विलन आज आप और मैं नहीं हूँ. ये सोशल मीडिया का जो कमेंट सेक्शन है ना, वही सबसे बड़ा विलन है.
Good one.
Yeah.
वहीं से शुरू होता है सब कुछ. आप पोस्ट डालो, कोई ना कुछ अच्छा या बुरा लिखता है. अच्छा लिखने से किसी और को बुरा फील होता है, बुरा लिखने से किसी और को अच्छा.
अरे, I noticed the other day, I was, some controversial celebrity ka page came up on the Instagram, and I opened the comment section. Most of the comments where people were writing कि कौन-कौन यहाँ पे comments पढ़ने के लिए आया है बताओ. So it's the entertainment place. कि कौन किसकी कितनी मजाक उड़ा रहा है, वो पढ़ के मजे लो. It's sad.
पढ़ने वाले हैं, लिखने वाले हैं, सब it's all वही. That's the villain. मैं आज बोलता हूँ कि सोशल मीडिया में जो कमेंट सेक्शन डाला हुआ है, that's the biggest villain.
And I noticed another thing.
हाँ, tell me bro.
To that whatever जो भी किसी ने एक funky comment लिखा था, उस comment के ऊपर 1,500 लाइक थे. Can you imagine?
लेकिन पोस्ट पे नहीं. So you see where we are heading.
Yeah.
I know.
And it has become what do you call? अभी वो comment section की वजह से सबको opinion बोलने का हक है, लेकिन वो लोग सोचते नहीं कि क्या बोल रहे हैं. आप समझदारी से करो ना. लाइक वो आर्ट फॉर्म है या किसी की लाइफ है, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा समझ होना बहुत जरूरी है. और बिना समझ दिखाए और बिना समझ के लिखना बहुत बुरी बात है. लाइक वो बुरा है. That I can say that is wrong. लोग बोलते हैं कुछ बुरा या कुछ सही नहीं होता है. लाइक हाँ ठीक है, लेकिन भाई किसी का फीलिंग्स को हर्ट करना बुरा चीज हो जाता है. It's not.
No, I think I would really like
to hurt someone's feelings.
I would really like to see people get more sensitive. That's it.
Sensitive बनो थोड़ा. Sensitive बनो. इसीलिए मैं बोला. Don't feel offended. What do you call? People get offended very soon. And also one more thing is like be a little sensitive. Yes. Thank you, Raji, for adding that.
Yeah.
Absolutely, and very well said, because I believe that yes, people are very vulnerable nowadays. Not very sure of why, but yeah. Let's probably the pandemic has taken over everybody even more now, because घर बैठे और कुछ काम भी नहीं है लोगों के पास.
हाँ, बहुत टाइम है ना. सबके स्क्रीन टाइम तो बढ़ गए होंगे.
Oh yeah.
मेरा तो कम हो गया पिछले हफ्ता. मेरा
Oh wow.
My last week is reduced by 6 hours, Rajiv.
That's
my
very good.
Time, it's like this. I got an update like 2 days ago saying like your last week compared to last week, your screen time has gone down by 6 hours.
Yeah, every Sunday we get that update. Yeah.
So Rajiv, instead of saying same, आप बोलोगे कुछ और मुझे that you would like to change.
नहीं, मैंने तो बोला ही कि like एक तो racism should just get out, and people need to get more sensitive. And one more thing, it's a very awkward confession, but yeah, I'd like to make. I'm a very romantic guy. Okay, and I
are all romantic.
No, but Benny, sometimes people say, "Hey, यार तू बहुत Bollywood है यार." No, but you see, Bollywood is inspired by real people. थोड़ा सा saturated होता है, no doubt.
Correct.
But being in, being open about your love, and see, there's nothing cool about it. कि, oh yeah, मैं क्यों इतना express करो? I'm a cool guy. No, I mean, it's okay to
express करो.
If you like somebody, you should just say that, hey, I really find you beautiful. I mean, of course, there's a way to say that.
Exactly. And, you should not become creepy. But yeah, definitely. No, I totally get you. I'm like that. I admire everybody. जब मुझे फील होता है कि मैन आज का पोस्ट किसी ने डाला है बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, मैन यू लुकिंग डैम हॉट इन दिस, मैं लिख दे देता हूँ.
हाई फाइव बेनी.
वो तो बोलना ही चाहिए यार. बोलना ही चाहिए. वो सब is not coming from some negative intention. The intention is like, you look beautiful, we get it. Beautiful. Simple as that.
No, because it's funny because I see some of my friends, thinking or feeling the whole world for that person, even if it's a stranger. But it's okay to express at times, and personally speaking, Drishti, you won't believe, I've had some amazing set of friends, female friends. We started our friendship by just expressing it, but since the expression was genuine and not creepy, today we are best of the friends, and they like, who doesn't like the honesty?
Exactly. See, women should find friends whom they're comfortable around, especially if they are men. And for me, I've always, fingers crossed, I try and not creep anyone out. That's been my first motive, working with women especially, and also not demotivating them in terms of work also. That's always been my thing.
So the two of you go by the line that says spread love, not war, right?
Yes. Just live your life. Gile. But thank you.
So guys, I'd like to say thank you for bringing a fresh air to this world and getting this song and reminding us कि हम जीना भूल गए, so we should come back, be happy in life. So thank you so much, and also thank you for giving your time to Bollywood Buzz.
Thank you, Drishti. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Drishti. Means a lot.
Bye.
Yeah,
all the best.
Bye.
See you in 7 days.
Bye, Benny.
Hopefully, yes. See you in 7 days.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.